everybody, I'm Dick Holway, and I'll be doing the play-by-play for tonight's big game, your roller superstars in action, your roller game of the week, with the world-famous world champion Los Angeles Thunderbirds and the tough Detroit Devils, who are here at beautiful Madison Square Garden here in New York with Harry Magidson, my broadcasting partner. Harry, the Thunderbirds coming back. The second half should be real exciting.
Thanks to the greatest skater in the history of the bank track, Ralphie Valadares, the T-Bird closed out the first half very well, and now they're looking forward to a big second half, Dick.
I'm wondering if the Thunderbirds got a little Gardenitis. Some of the whiz kids during that first half of action. The second half, the young kids are going to have to come through, along with the veterans Riley, Parker, and Valadares. How about it?
Dick, I've covered sports in this building for a long, long time. No doubt about it, Madison Square Garden is the most famous sports building in the world. And many times people come into this building and they get the jitters. And the T-Bird whiz kids of Flanagan and Adam Gonzalez have had a rough time in the first half, and they're going to have to shape up and get rid of those jitters to do better.
Well, like you said, there's plenty of excitement going around this building. You can feel it in the air. I know I've been real excited myself and happy to be here. And I'm expecting a lot of things out of Thunderbirds. And this Devil team led by Georgia Hoff has been real tough here.
Well, the Devils have looked good. Ted Maroff has had just an outstanding first half, and he looks very, very sharp. Of course, the Devil women with Paula Wilson and Vicky Steppi are also very, very tough. But the T-Bird girls skated very well.
You're right, Harry, and look out. The Thunderbirds, are they going to win this game? 55-54 at halftime, and Harry, there's not a whole lot of time before we're getting into the second half of action.
Well, they're going to need some more help, the T-Bird men, certainly from John Parker. He was a little off in the first half, and of course, Ralphie Valadares will score his points.
In the meantime, folks, you hang around. We're going to be back very, very shortly for this second half of exciting action from Madison Square Garden in New York.
There's a little town in Florida called Miami where the people are warm and the football's hot. And in 1984, there was an unbelievable game between Miami and Boston College where a little guy named Flutie took on a big man named Kosar. So if you want to see one of the greatest college games of all time, you'd better get to your couch, because the only place you can see it is on Classic Sports. Classic Sports Network. It's every classic game you want to see. Watch BC Battle Miami in the 1984 thriller, Friday night at 7, only on Classic Sports Network.
You've seen this product advertised for as much as $120. Now you can take advantage of our warehouse blowout sale on the body shaper that's taking the country by storm, the Ab Power Deluxe. Let the Ab Power Deluxe roll your upper body into the safest, most effective position to isolate and work your abs completely. In just minutes a day, you can lose inches off your stomach, improve your health, and have sensational abs. And it's great for men and women of all ages. The Ab Power Deluxe helped me lose 4 inches off my waist. You can get the Ab Power Deluxe for only 4 low, easy payments. And as a bonus, you'll receive free an exercise guide showing you how to get the maximum results from this amazing product. That's a $19.95 value free. Get the abs you've always dreamed of.
To take advantage of the special offer, call 1-800-361-3113. This is the original Ab Power Deluxe. Don't accept imitations. Call 1-800-361-3113.
Tom Brookshire, NFL conservative. Joe Namath, AFL liberal. Brookshire's for a strong defense. Namath's for spreading the wealth around. It's more important than politics. It's pro football. Watch the mudslinging on NFL Night at the Classics, Wednesday nights at 8 on Classic Sports Network.
Here we go, the start of the fifth skating period. 55-54. The Devils out in front by 1. And the Devils going to win it, Harry?
Tough game, Dick. 55-54. Good strategy by Georgia Hoff in the first half.
Very defense-minded team here, the Devils. Doing a good job so far. And immediately they send up the little gal, Paula Wilson. How many points she's going to try to pick up? We're going to find out. A skinny mini Woodmiller's going to be right there to contest her. Side by side. Belts her one time with a shoulder block. Tried to put her down, but didn't send the little gal down. Not a whole lot of weight. Not a lot of superiority here. But look out now. Steppy on Miller. Heldon on Wilson. We got a one-on-one front tie back. Over the rail goes little Paula Wilson. Now needing help. A skinny mini Woodmiller. She gets it from Debbie Heldon. Coming up the back of the back. Darts to the inside. Tucks to the high part of the track. Rivers to the high part of the track now and trying to duck back in. Pick up points. That's where you get them up on the inside. Hits her low. Knocks down the big gal. And picks up 4 big Thunderbird points. Oh, me oh my. Immediately the Thunderbirds out in front here.
There's Gwen Miller, Dick. I said she was kind of a disappointment in the first half. I'm sure she she had it talked to by John Hall. She looks a little more peppy. This half had the first jam of the game. She picked up 7 points, and that was it for the period with Gwen. Here's the end of the jam, and watch Gwen pick up the points, and watch the expression on this gal's face. She loves to do what she does best, and that's score points. Gwen Miller.
Set that gal down in a hurry. Just like that, out comes number 9, Debbie Garvey. Behind her, Tammy Villalobos. This is Dick Holloway here, calling for you, along with Harry Magidson, her sidekick. 58-55 the score. Big Dave helping us out. 8:17 to go, and look out. 1 point. 1 point for the Devils. Look at the finger point to the far side.
There's Debbie Garvey, and she's excited. She had a great first half. Had 9 points to match her uniform number. 55 Devils, 59 T-Birds. 7:55 remaining in this first period of the second half. Georgia Haas conferring strategy.
4-point lead for the Thunderbirds, 59-55. We'll get it out yet. And there she comes, Darlene Lenoir de la Chapelle. Gal can speak fluent French. Hails from Paris originally. We got a Donnybrook tumble down in the middle of the pack, and down goes Solis. Grad went down. Here comes Darlene Lenoir through the pack, picking her way through the pack. The high part of the track and up to the railing. Darts back down to the inside. Goes to the infield, has to cut off the jam. Picking up only a few. Yep, she only picked up, no, they say one. The Devils now, and I believe only one from the Thunderbirds. Was it one for each team? I'm
well,
not
I
too
think
sure.
what happened, Darlene went to the infield too quickly, and of course that nullifies any skaters pass.
Oh, me, oh my. We got a good one going. 60-55 the score. I'm not sure if they awarded a point to the Devils on the last jam or not. We'd have to get a clarification from the referee, but he doesn't seem to be worried at this present moment.
Evidently not, Dick. It's still 60-55. Just 1 point for Darlene.
Up in front, little Paula Wilson on the inside. Aloha Lonnie Passion. What a beautiful gal. Lonnie Passion. A young gal, beautiful black hair. You see it? Lonnie Passion. Oh, yeah. On the inside, Aloha Lonnie on the high part. Down she goes.
Aloha Lonnie did.
Beautiful, beautiful gal. 60-55 the score. And Paula Wilson said, I don't care about Aloha Lonnie. I'm going to pick up some points. And boom, down she goes hard again as Vicky Steppy got her from the backside of the back. And Steppy's going wild. They finishing punishment all the way along the line of the Thunderbird. And look out, Darlene sends her to the rail. And Paula Wilson picking up a bundle with 6:17 remaining on the clock. The gal's down with about just a few seconds remaining here. Oh, to the rail. Oh, me, oh, my, what a tumble. Down Arpit, just like that, the little gal back up again. 3 points, 3 Devil points. The hard way, Harry.
Paula Wilson popped down for the Devils, picked up 3, but she picked up 3 the hard way as she went over the rail. But that's fine with Georgia Haas, and she keeps picking up those points. 5:50 left to go in this period. 60 T-Birds, 58 Devils.
Oh, me, oh, my. 60-58 of the men are talking over, waiting to get in for their 6th skating period. 5:35 to go. Something else, the Thunderbirds are really keyed up for this game here from Madison Square Garden in New York. The jam, the pack is formed. 10 minutes skating through. Tammy Villalobos said, I'm going to pick up some points. I want to get my name in the paper. Oh, yeah. 60-58 the score. She gets it straight away. She's got a half a lap to go to pick up the back of the pack. The owner of the Thunderbirds down in the infield talking to one of the Thunderbird gals. Back to Skinny Minnie Gwen Miller. She's going to do a number on Lobos. Belts her one time. Villalobos gets belted again by Skinny Minnie Gwen Miller. But look out, Steppy. Oh, she blindsides her. Sends it down. Tries to set out on her. Knocks it out of the hard. We don't want to hurt that gal. The Thunderbirds can ill afford to lose her. Another vicious block by Vicky Steppy. And Steppy held it to the far side. In the meantime, Villalobos picks up a bundle. 6 big points for the Devils.
Tammy Villalobos, 6 points, but you notice the work by Vicky Steppy. She's obviously going after Gwen Miller, and that is the strategy of Georgia Haas, which held Gwen Miller to only 7 in the first period. She wants to send her skaters after Gwen and try to keep her under control.
Georgia Haas, a strategist, checking everything out. She does not like mistakes. She will not tolerate them at all. Look at her face. She says, let's go. Come on, girls, let's get going.
That's a good strategy by Georgia. You remember that playoff game between the Raiders and the Jets, where the Jets concentrated on Marcus Allen. He only picked up 30-some-odd yards.
64-60 to start. And here comes number 25, Laura Fowler, way out in front. In chasing her late chases Debbie Garvey. Garvey going to catch up to her? We don't know. In the back of the pack is Debbie working on Debbie Helton.
especially about that. He quit crawling off a jam by Georgia Haas. 2 points for the Devils. Glenn Miller is down, and we have some action on the track.
These two do definitely not like each other. Debbie Heldon and Vicky Stephanie. Stephanie, number 21, and for the Thunderbirds, number 1, Debbie Heldon. And defense has been the second half strategy so far. Reigning supreme for this Devil team.
There's no doubt about it, and it's good strategy for Georgia Haas. Paying off so far. 66 Devils, 61 T-Birds. We're coming down on the 3-minute mark in this Dallas period.
5-point lead for the Devils. 66 to 61. You see it there with 3 minutes remaining in this sophisticated period. It's been a good one so far. The people here in New York enjoying themselves, emanating from Madison Square Garden. That's right. Dick Holway calling for you along with Harry Magidson. We got a good one up in front. Darling Lingwall reaching back to give a little whip in there to Debbie Garvey. Garvey comes out of the back, and immediately after is Petrus Solis. Petrus Solis, number 22. Good skater. Look out now. What's going on? Charlie Burke on the back. Skinny Minnie Wood Miller riding hurt on Vicky Steffi. They award 1 point in there for the Thunderbirds. And Skinny Minnie Miller's going wild, and Steffi is chasing her all over the track, Harry.
Glenn Miller getting a little revenge, but I'll tell you what, Dick, I think Debbie Garvey called off that jam a little too soon. I think she could have picked up more than 1 point as John Hall raises Glenn Miller high. John Hall says, go, go, go.
Look at John Hall. He's got a big smile.
Go get him, go!
Now he says, go get him, Pearl.
Well, he better go get him because right now he's 4 points to the bad. 150 remaining in this period. Devils 66, T-Birds 62. Darlene Langlois is going to get the helmet for the T-Birds.
Bill, sometimes they lax in a little bit of sleep here. Let's hope they don't do it too much in this game, because the Thunderbirds are a great tough from behind team. But when you get out in front, that's when it gets to be scary. Love Lonnie Passion. She's yelling, come on, Darlene. These gals are great. They cheer each other on all throughout the entire contest. All good friends, all good buddies, and that's the way it should be. You got to work together. Teamwork, stress that teamwork. As the Devils really been applying the pressure here. Vicky Steffi up in front, blocking on Darlene Linglois. Debbie Heldon, she's going to track the gal back of the pack. Now Heldon takes care of Vicky Steffi, gets her out of the back, and Darlene on the tear. 1:06 remaining in the sophisticated period. Darlene gets him shoved by and calls off the jam. She goes by Skinny Minnie with Miller, pick it up. 3 points for the Thunderbirds. They're catching up here. Very slowly, but they're catching up.
3 points for Darlene, but again, Debbie Heldon was the key. Freeman McNeil does not gain those yards without the offensive lineman, Dick. That's the key. You need those blocks to get those points. 66-65, 1 point lead for the Devils. 38 seconds remaining in the period.
Go! Look at the Thunderbirds in. They're ready to get out there. They're yelling, go, go, go. There comes Skinny Minnie with 30 seconds to go. Nancy Graham, 15 seconds to go on the clock. She gets by Solis. Over the rail goes little Paula Wilson. 10 seconds remaining. Skinny Minnie picking up 1 by 1, but she's only got 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. She scores! So me on high. Skinny Minnie, Glenn Miller in the nick of time picks up 5. Thunderbird points on me on high.
The Devils try to pull away, but you're not going to pull away at Glenn Miller if she's at her best. And right now you're seeing what Glenn Miller can do. 70-66 T-Birds. That's the end of the period. We'll be back with more exciting action.
He is gone right now. He has no legs at all. And 10 seconds to go and around there. The left hand down again. It's all over.
You're watching Classic Sports Network, where the legends play.
What lower round draft pick just might stun the NBA by becoming his team's leading rebounder this year? The Sporting News knows. Do you? What hot goalie will dominate NHL offenses to power his team to a great season? The Sporting News knows. Do you? What surprising rookie sensation could send his team soaring into the Super Bowl? The Sporting News knows, and you can too when you call now to claim your no-cost 4-issue Sporting News mini subscription. Plus, reserve these great sports binoculars free. When it comes to the NFL, NBA, Major League Baseball, and the NHL, nobody keeps you in the know quite like the Sporting News. What GM's blockbuster trades will turn his pretenders into pennant contenders next season? The Sporting News knows, and now you will too. Call now for your no-cost 4-issue Sporting News mini subscription. If you like it, get 24 more issues, 28 in all, for 4 easy payments of just $4.99. Plus, get these great binoculars free with your paid subscription. Call now.
You know, I'm from western Pennsylvania, 28 miles just outside of Pittsburgh, and I followed the Steelers when I was a young guy, but the older I got, I started following the Baltimore Colts, mainly because we had a fellow from our hometown. Jim Mutchler was the tight end for the Baltimore Colts. Johnny Unitas is special. He still is special. I used to wear 19. My guys used to call me Joey U. So as close as I was to the Steelers in Pittsburgh, I would pay more attention to the Baltimore Colts because of Jim Mutchler and number 19. I dreamt about playing the Baltimore Colts. And don't you know, it just materialized like a dream come true. It did. Watch NFL Night at the Classics, Wednesday at 8 on Classic Sports Network.
Enjoy themselves from Madison Square Garden in New York as we get the start of the 6th skating period. 70-66 the score. Full 10-minute period coming up. That's right, this is the 6th skating period, folks. It's been a good one. Out in front immediately goes young Johnny Watson right there with him, Mike Flanagan. Flanagan belts him down, right out of there. Hope he can stay down there. And look, oh, Brad Patera, he comes by and gives the finishing touches on this young man. 35 seconds to go in the first jam here, the 6th skating period. Been a good game. This bank track has been wailing and booming and jumping up and down in here. And look out, there better be lots of flexibility because the big men are on the track now. It looks like Mark Gastineau, the back of the pack, the way he takes care of some of them. Here comes Danny Riley, rough shot on the Thunderbird, helping him now. Along with Flanagan, Morrow immediately goes right after him, Ted Morrow. And he slips on through by Flanagan with 8 seconds remaining. He's going to pick up a bundle, but the 2 big men got him up in front. What are they going to do with it? 3, 2, they shove it through. He scores. Mike Flanagan, but how many? They said 5, the referees. 5 Thunderbird points.
Mike Flanagan will take a hit like that to pick up 5 points any day of the week. That's really the first evidence of the T-Bird Whiz Kid. We're going to see another look at that jam as Mike Flanagan gets through Merrill. Finally, they have gotten by Merrill. 5 points matching the uniform number for the T-Bird Whiz Kid, Mike Flanagan from Burbank.
Burbank in Southern California. That's right. And they got the real people there. We got the real people on the track right now. The name of one of the Whiz kids, Adam Gonzalez. Also, Fred Gutierrez on the short track. Look at the gals. They're talking over. They want to get back in action for their final skating period. There's 8 minutes and 16 seconds remaining in this skating period. It's been a good game. A white knuckler all the way. 75-66. The fans are starting to edge up very slowly on the edge of their seat in anticipation of what's going to happen in this game. Now the Devils have been seeing the Thunderbirds turn on the defense, and that's what the Thunderbirds like, to turn on the defense when necessary. Morrow takes care of the man in the back of the pack, Gonzalez. Now he's coming in to Freddie Lucero. Lucero right there along with Ted Morrow. They window shield, take care of Danny Riley, get him completely out of the picture. You can't see through that fly now, and look out, me oh my, 75-66. Lucero on a tear, picking up a bundle of points for the Devils in 3, 2, 1. And Chief John Parker applies the pressure and stops the man immediately, but not until he picks up 4 big points with 7:28 remaining.
Lucero doing a good job, but once again it was Ted Maroff in the back of the pack, setting the way for Lucero to pick up those points. And the T-Birds are not getting the help from John Parker that they need. There's no doubt about it, Dick. Danny Riley has had a great game, but he has to get some more help from Parker.
A big Chief John Parker looks a little bit overweight down there. You sometimes wonder. I used to call him Joe Palooka, and he didn't like that. He said he's going to lose some weight.
Let's be honest about it, Dick. He is not in the best of shape.
Well, with the score 75-70, somebody better get out there in a hurry and pick up some points. The number 23 up in front is the big man, Leroy Bad Boy Gonzalez, and behind him, Mike Flanagan. The 2 of them don't take up a whole lot of space. That's one thing you can say for the big man. Big Chief John Parker, he covers 20 yards on that bank track. Oh, me oh my, here he comes, number 23, Leroy Bad Boy Gonzalez. 5-point lead for the Thunderbirds. 6:35 on the clock. Time ticking away in disfavor right now of the Devils. The Devils trying to pick up some points and do something about it. But Danny Riley back on defense. What's the big man going to do? The Carrot Top, the redhead from Anaheim, California, the home of Disneyland. LA's own Danny Riley, and he's complaining, I need some help. And look at Gonzalez. He grabs the mouth and the eyes. Look at it. Just pulls out everybody's mouth when he gets the chance. Sends him down, smacks him in the face, and the referee after him. He stops the leading man out in front, yelling to blow the whistle, to stop that jam, and Leroy Gonzalez continues to run roughshod. Pulls him by the hair, pulls the man down in the infield. And the referee after him now. Oh, yeah. And Riley wants a piece of the action. He wants a piece of him, Harry.
Danny Riley is hot. He has a right to be. He's after the bad boy, Leroy Gonzalez, and there's only one way to contain him. John Hall holding Danny Riley back, and that's a good move by John. He doesn't want his skater off the ice, too. Excuse me, I said ice. That reminds me of hockey with Dave Schultz. I got carried away, Dick. We're on the bank track, but that's what the Flyers used to do. They used to send Dave Schultz out there to start a fight. If he sent one of the better team skaters off, it's a help for the Flyers. In this case, if they send Riley off, it's a help for the Devils.
75-70 the score. What's going to happen here? The Thunderbirds keep up this good, solid defense they've been having. Put him in the box. Speed. Put him in the box. Not going right now. It looks like we got all kinds of defensive action held in this game. Holding it apart one way or the other. The Thunderbirds say, we're going to do it. And out in front is young Adam Gonzalez. 4:54 to go on the clock. Adam Gonzalez way out in front. Behind the big Zola McNair, number 25. Big, tall, lean Zola McNair. Full beard and all. He's tough. He's big. He's, sends Adam Gonzalez right to the railing and over the top. Not a heck of a lot of time remaining here in this jam. And the man's got a chance to pick up points for his team, respectively. Crazy Fred Futura tries to stop the reversal. Pops him one time. He says, come on. Back to Zola. Zola comes back. He attacks him again. He belts him and hits him again with a hip check. He's having trouble now. Hip check. Goes to the elbow shot. Elbow shot again. Oh, yeah. Speed of one. He's giving him a midsection. Pulls it down. Is he going to jump on him? Yeah! Oh, Harry. How much can a man take?
The crazy man, Dick. He's just a second-year skater. He is terrific right now. Just wait till he gets a little more experience. He's a great offensive skater, and there he was used on defense. Fred Futura doing it both ways, offensively and defensively for the T-Birds. 75 T-Birds, 70 Devils. 3:45 remaining in this period.
You talk about Fred Futura. He's reminiscent of a good friend of mine. One-time skater retired now, Ronnie Psycho Raines. A lot like Fred Futura. He's liable to do just about anything on the bank track. You want to use him for comparison.
You
That's
got
the
it,
man.
Dick. Psycho Ronnie, Crazy Bren.
75-70 the score. I hate to say what they say about us, Harry. 3 minutes and 22 seconds to go here in the sixth skating period. Out in front, Adam Gonzalez on the inside, number 21, Georgie Adams. Some of his friends call him Gentleman Georgie, but when he gets on the track, he's not much of a gentleman. You see him up in front, he's a little man. And size and strength, he's got it all. And also speed, George Adams, a veteran of many years on the bank track. Big Chief John Parker. He says, you're going to come off my back like water off a duck's back. We're going to find out. He says, I know that. So I'm going to send Ted Moff over to help me. Goes to the knee of the stomach. The Big Chief just weaves a little bit like the Empire State Building, the big earthquake, but he doesn't go down. Parker's still up. He says, I'm going to get you sooner or later. You don't want to mess with me forever. There's not much time remaining. His Solidaire pulls out of the back. He's still the jabber number 21. There's Georgie Adams. Georgie Adams. And Parker says, not this time. I told you. He get him, and he melts him down in a hurry. As the Devils pick up 3 points, 75-73, just a 2-point lead for the Thunderbirds, Harry.
Then Parker got him the second time, but when you're back there as a prime defensive skater, you have to stop him the first time. And Maroff once again cleared the way for Georgie Adams. That was the story for the Devils in the first half.
John.
Adams scoring points and Maroff assisting.
Take the goddamn ice off!
Oh, me, oh, my. Here we go. We got some action going on that bank track. 75-73 the score. Once again, John Hall out there waving to some of the fans here from Madison Square Garden, a beautiful arena. Thunderbirds enjoying themselves as likewise, I'm sure, the Devils, but the Devils, not too many smiles on their faces. They're down by 2 currently here in this tough game. It's the Detroit Devils and the reigning world champions, Los Angeles Thunderbirds. Out in front, that's the youngster, Adam Gonzalez. Behind him, another Gonzalez. Leroy Bad Boy Gonzalez, number a tough one. He'll do just about anything to score points. Leroy Bad Boy Gonzalez. Adam Gonzalez, he's having trouble getting trailed and sent to the railing hard by the big man, Ted Mobb. And look out, are they going to award points? Yes, they are. And also Ted Mobb gets 1 minute in the penalty box, but they say no score, the referees. No score. 75 to 73 here, just 1:10 to go.
I guess they waved that jam off, that point off, because of the aggressiveness of Farrell. And John Hall is hot, but I'll tell you what, Lassiter did the right thing. He made the right call. He waved the point off. I don't know what John wants. He has the right to complain, but let the officials call the game, Dick.
I can't believe this is a very low scoring game. I thought it would be possibly a heavy defense, low scoring, but it's been a lot more than I really thought would be the
Look who has the helmet for the T-Birds, Dick, for Ralph B. Valadares.
Look at him on fire with 11,000. He's over 11,000 points. Ralph B. Valadares, he's still trying to skater. And look out! Here he comes, Ralph B. Valadares. So me-oh-my. Only 28 seconds to go in the jam time here. All the time remaining in the period. The time on the clock, 23 seconds to go. Go! 20 seconds remaining. The Thunderbirds are all up on their feet. Jeremy Seabod over the rail, high and wide goes Sola McNair off the track. He's got 10 seconds to go. And Ralphie would like to score the little man up in front of Leroy Gonzalez. Come on. There's 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And oh, what now? What's he going to do in here? To the rail, off the track, and out he goes. Leroy Bad Boy Gonzalez. And Ralphie Valadares picks up. How many points are on that last jam? Wait a minute, they said no score.
That's the end of the period, Dick. We'll be right back with more action on Madison Square Garden Cablevision.
I'm bad, I'm pretty, and can't possibly be beat.
Classic Sports Network, where the legends play.
Feeling stressed out? Is that nagging back pain acting up again? Now you can experience a complete and relaxing massage with the Body Back Plus Massager. While its thick, soft cushion offers support, 5 independent motors massage all major stress points and tired muscle groups. You can even use the cycle mode, sending massage pulses up and down your entire body. Adjust the speed and intensity of the massage for the ultimate in relaxation. Choose a slow, gentle massage to soothe and comfort, or a stimulating, vibrant massage to revitalize. Other massages cost hundreds or even thousands, but through this special TV offer, you can order the Body Back Plus for just 4 easy payments of $19.95. And if you call right now, you'll also receive this car adapter absolutely free. Now you can have a massage even in your car. Body Back Plus is also available with soothing heat for just 1 extra payment of only $19.95. Body Back Plus works anywhere, anytime you need it.
Have your credit card ready and call 1-800-344-4888 or send $79.80 plus $14.95 shipping and handling to Body Back Plus, P.O. Box 910, Department 44, Gardnerville, Nevada.
Join the team with the Classic Sports Network t-shirt. Just call 1-888-LEGENDS, and for only $11.95, you can wear the t-shirt that tells the world you're a Classic Sports fan. It comes in gray or tan, so please specify color and size. And now, for the first time, Classic Sports is offering our limited edition cap. It's only $13.95 and available in both green and white. So call 1-888-LEGENDS and order your Classic Sports gear today.
The gals ready to go here in this skating period, the 7th skating period. They did award points to Ralphie Valadares, but he did have his helmet knocked off. The score now 78 to 74 in favor of the Thunderbirds.
Only 4 gals after that penalty on the track of the T-Birds by Ralphie.
All right, here we go. There'll be 4 on the Thunderbird team out here on this jam. In the meantime, he's sitting in the penalty box. One of the gals sitting in their form in this skating period, the 7th skating period. Paula Wilson, the little gal out in front, comes to the back of the pack, belted hard by Debbie Helton. A good, vicious block by Debbie Helton, another one. In the meantime, here comes number 4. From right behind, quick in a hurry, Julie Garris, but she goes down hard. A good block by the little gal. Vicky Steppy, what a rush out of this entire Thunderbird team here. 9:20 to go on the clock. About 18 seconds remaining in the jam time. 78 to 74. She calls off the jam, and the Devils pick up 3 points and narrow that gap to 78 to 77. Only a 1-point lead.
Paula Wilson has done a good job for the Devils here tonight, picking up 3 there. If some of the fans are questioning why the T-Birds only had 4 skaters when Ralphie Valadares committed the penalty, it's the same basically rule as in the National Hockey League when a goalie commits a penalty. Of course, the goalie cannot sit down. They designate a skater to sit down. and the goalie stays in the game even though he has committed the penalty. That's the explanation.
78-77 the score. 8 minutes and 42 seconds to go. From the back of the pack, number 25, Laura Fowler, getting out of the pack. The big gal, Nancy Grant. She gets a push and a shove. Can she get out of the pack? We're going to find out. It doesn't look like she's getting out of the pack. The big gal, they're holding her back in there, Lori Weichel, but she gets out now on a late chase. She's way behind. She's never going to catch up. Laura Fowler way out in the front of the pack, but here comes Debbie Helton back there to assist. It's a big gal trying to get up steep. In the meantime, one of the gals goes by the Devils. The big gal, boom, goes by, hits the edge of the track. She goes down, and the referees designate no one gets a score this time. No score, Harry.
Debbie Helton staying back on defense, but I really question that strategy by John Hall. Why did he send Nancy Grant out of the jam in the first place? She just doesn't have the speed to score.
I really don't know. It's possible that Skinny Minnie Gwen Miller's not feeling too well. Let's hear what you're saying out here.
I said earlier in the game, I don't know if Gwen is as sharp as I've seen her. She definitely does look tired, and they definitely are saving her. She is skating fewer jams than she normally does.
I don't think it's so much of whether she's sharp or not. I got a feeling she's just not feeling well out on that track.
Well, that's what I'm saying, Dick. She just looks a little tired. They're not using her on the offense as much as they normally do.
Okay, out in front, Tammy Villalobos. Behind her, Darlene Lenoir de La Chapelle. 7:24 to go on the clock. A 1-point lead. Once again, we got the white knuckle situation going here. The lead switching back and forth. 1-point lead. The back of the pack trying to get through is Darlene Lenoir. Villalobos trying to get by for her team, respectively, the Detroit Devils. Holding her back. Vicky Steppy sends Darlene down. In the meantime, the little gal Villalobos working her way through that pack. Darlene back up again. She tries to get through. The gal up in front, I thought she called it off as the Petrus was Tammy Villalobos. I guess she did not call off the jam. Now she calls off the jam about 3/4 of the way around that track. The two referees have to keep their eyes open all the time. I thought I saw her call off that jam. But maybe she didn't have both her hands on the hips. The Devils pick up 4 out in front, 82-78.
Devils out by 3, Dick, as Darlene waves her hand, but we have an 81-81 tie.
They picked up points and did score points for Darlene because the other gal didn't call off the jam in time.
Sometimes it's so hard to see all the action, Dick. There's constant action in this game. You know, they measured the action in the actual NFL game with an average of 6 seconds per play and around 70 plays per game. You only have about 6.5 minutes of actual action. In this game, it's 80 minutes nonstop.
It's almost unbelievable, but true, Harry, that's for sure. Okay, here we go. Oh my. Good step. 81-81 the score. All knotted up here with 6 minutes remaining. The 7th skating period is down hard. Goes Debbie Garvey. The Thunderbirds need Skinny Minnie Gwen Miller out there on a jam, but for some reason, she has not been jamming. Down goes Garvey. Garvey goes down hard once, twice, and Debbie Helton says, hello. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She says, hello.
There those. Oh, she's hot. Lori Weichel's hot. Dick, you asked about Gwen Miller. We both said she looked a little tired to us. Obviously, that's one of the reasons, but I think John Hall has made a strategy decision with Paula Wilson. When she has a helmet, they're not going to send Gwen out because Paula can possibly keep up with Gwen. And when they had gone out together, all that happened was Paula Wilson just wanted to tackle Gwen Miller. So they're going to leave it up to the T-Bird defense when Paula Wilson dons the helmet, which she has this jam, Dick.
Maybe it's a Johnny Riggins. She can't go all the way, or maybe it's going to be one of these guys that just all of a sudden we're going to go one shot for it. Marcus Allen, now or never, baby. You never know what happens in these games. A lot of strategy involved between the two vice presidents and general manager, likewise. John Hall one side and Georgia Haas on the other. 82-81 the score. Up in front, Julie Griffith. Skinny Minnie Gwen Miller putting out an effort now. Wheels the gal, pulls to the side railing, down the infield goes the skater for the Devils, Paula Wilson, and the referees say no score. No score as they go down into the infield. 82-81 remains 4:30 to go.
Well, you see, Dick, even though there was no score on that jam, that's a good jam for the T-Birds because Paula Wilson was out against Julie Griffith, and Paula Wilson definitely has more speed. Julie kept up with her. Second even matches John Parker. Yelling from the bench, and John Parker needs to do more than yell. He has to get out there and skate and defend, Dick.
4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining the 7th skating period. Debbie Garvey right behind her, Lori Weichel, following her very close in this jam. Not a whole lot of time remaining. 4 minutes here in the 7th skating period. One more big period to follow. The Thunderbirds nip and tuck with the Devils all the way. It's been going back and forth. Who's going to survive this one? Look out to the inside. The Titanic is moving out of there. Number 28, big Lori Weichel, the big gal. Oh, look what Lori Weichel's doing. There's none of her team now as she seems to be controlling her portion of the game, picking up 4 big double points here, 85 to 82. Just like that, a 3-point lead. Back and forth we go, Harry.
Lori Weichel's a star. There's no doubt about it. Lori Weichel, Vicky Steppe, and Paula Wilson are the definite leaders in this Devil team. Lori Weichel, Vicky Steppe can skate both offensively and defensively. Paul, of course, is their top jammer, and right now they're doing a good job. 3-point lead, 85-82. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining in this period.
You talk about confidence. This Devil team is showing it right now. The people that are back there watching this game. The friends, fans all across the country and throughout the world, the fans of the Thunderbirds are watching the Thunderbirds going to be able to pull this one out. Down by 3, that's not a heck of a lot, but the way this game is going really makes me wonder. Now my friends at Woodland Hills, Skinny Minnie Miller, she'd like to bop her down for you right now. We're going to find out. Boom! Down the gal goes. Come on, Skinny Minnie. Oh, forceful shot. The gal, the little gal, can really park it to you. Oh, beautiful hip check as she sends her down. One time, Harry, tell them about this gal. Quite a lot of athletic ability. We'll get to that in a moment. And look at this Gwen Miller. She's tearing them up side by side with 220. All of a sudden, Gwen Miller has come to life. All of a sudden, she has come to life with a ram head. Oh, my.
Dick, I'll tell you what, that's the strategy that I was thinking of just previously when I mentioned that Gwen wasn't jamming that much. When Paula Wilson is out on a jam for the Devils, it makes good sense for the T-Birds to send Gwen Miller, who can match up size-wise and certainly quickness-wise defensively with Paula Wilson. That time she didn't have to worry about the alone, I am busy. And Georgia Haas is hot. She sent her best jammer out. She came up dry that jam, but she is in the lead with 1:45 remaining. 85-82. Devils.
Talk about the athletic ability. As we say, once again, we get a chance. We'll get back to you and tell you a little bit more about Gwen Miller. Had a whole lot of time remaining, 85 to 82. Harry, you be keeping that thought in mind about her in the Olympics. With 1:30 to go here. Here comes Debbie Hellman. If we get a chance, you can get it in. We got a triple block the back of the pack. A late chase by Skinny Minnie Gwen Miller. Miller moves out of the back of the pack in a hurry. She may be coming from nowhere. So you be looking for it, baby. Here she comes. And Debbie Hellman goes down and Skinny Minnie wipes off the pack. Leaps high in the air. What athletic ability. She pulls it out of there with 1:10 remaining on the clock. And Debbie Hellman scores. And she's happy. And Skinny Minnie Miller does it again on me. Oh, my.
That's the strategy again of John Hall, Dick. Instead of sending out Gwen Miller on jam after jam, he's using her smartly. He used her to defend against Paula Wilson. We're going to have another look at this jam. Watch Gwen Miller. She came back, had the speed to go around the track unmolested. Popped up the pack, and Debbie Hellman was able to pick up a couple of points for the T-Birds.
Oh,
we have an even game, Dick. 35 seconds in the period.
Okay, this is what the people are waiting for. Skinny Minnie Gwen Miller picking up that jamming element with 30 seconds remaining in the skating period. The 7th. They've been sitting on the edge of their seat waiting for her to do it. The score 85 to 85. One more skating period. And here comes Skinny Minnie Gwen Miller. Leapfrog coming to the top of Steppe. 18 seconds to go. The high part of the track. Darts back down to the inside. Will she go up in between? Yes. Starts by 1. Gets by Fowler. Gets by Solis. She wants more. 9 seconds to go. And Skinny Minnie Miller picks up some more. She's getting them all. She's going wide with 4, 3, 2, 1. And underneath Steppe, she scores. Oh, behold, my. She scores 7 big Thunderbird points. Skinny Minnie Miller. Oh, behold, my.
Gwen Miller has come to life here, Dick, and it's all due to the strategy, the change in strategy by John Hall. I knocked him earlier. I give him complete credit for what's going on now. He used Gwen smartly all period. That's the end of the period. We'll be back with more exciting action as you look at Skinny Minnie.
Think you're ready to hang with the legends of the NBA? Then celebrate the NBA at 50 on Classic Sports. From Mikan to Michael, from Irving to Irvin. Classic Sports is counting down the greatest games in the history of the NBA. Celebrate the Big 5-0. Watch the NBA Top 50 games every Thursday night and every Saturday night. Only on Classic Sports.
Is kitty cat's fur sticking everywhere? Is your carpet covered with lint and hair? Don't get stuck. Stick It. Introducing Stick It, the incredible new rolling cleaner that attracts dirt like a super magnet. Don't lug out that heavy vacuum. Watch. Just roll Stick It over this filthy carpet. It cleans up lint, fur, dust, and hair. Run it under the faucet and look, it rinses away in seconds like it was never ever there. Made of space-age adhesive, it's sticky to the touch when dry, super slick when wet. Use it over and over again up to 1,000 times. Amazing! Its easy grip extension handle stretches to reach dust on drapes, cobwebs from ceiling corners. Hate to clean those hard-to-reach places? Just stick it, then rinse clean in water and wash the mess away. Beach sand is hard to clean. Stick It attracts the tiny particles and rinses away in seconds. Now, you can get your Stick It with extension handle for the amazing low price of only $19.95. But wait, we'll also include Stick It upholstery cleaner. It's perfect for car seats and carpeting. It cleans an entire velveteen couch in seconds. Then just rinse off the mess. Great for countertop spills. Picks up party mess. And watch this. Glitter is gone in a flash. It sticks like glue. Order in the next 10 minutes and we'll include Stick It clothing cleaner absolutely free. Perfect for pocket or purse. White wrap it on your black coat. Roll on Stick It to clean up in seconds. Fido just wants to say goodbye. Don't cry. Use Stick It to brush hair away in a flash. Now, you get the Stick It floor roller with extension handle, the Stick It handheld roller, and your free Stick It clothing roller. All for just $19.95. Don't get stuck. Stick It. Stick It. Stick It.
To order Stick It, use your credit card and call 1-800-764-8811 or send check or money order for $19.95 plus $5.95 shipping and handling to Stick It, P.O. Box 2978, Framingham, Massachusetts, or call 1-800-764-8811.
You're watching Classic Sports Network.
Here we go. The men are on the track for the final skating period. Look at them dancing to the music. Fran Futura. The men want to win this game. The women want to win it. Oh, me, oh, my. 92-85. The Thunderbirds out in front by 7 big points here. Just to start of things. And I got a feeling, Harry, this is going to be some kind of Donnybrook. Some kind of Donnybrook. Schoolyard barn burner coming up. Look out. Oh, to the railing goes Mike Flanagan. Number 24 out in front, Lucero. Freddie Lucero. 9:33 to go. 30 seconds remaining now on the jam time. Yeah, hello, the sweet kids out there beating their sodas to all her fans. Because she's not in here. Oh, my. 22 seconds remaining the jam time. Been a good game. An excellent game. Mike Fleming, a little late chase to the man up in front. The man of the hour, Riley, starting to wheel and deal. He's got the spinneroo going on now. Look at Riley, the windmill caper going on. Watch takes his shot at him. Georgie Adams behind him. He can't get by him. Sullivan there in the meantime. Mike Flanagan, he scores. He picks them all up. He gets them all. He just sneaks on through it. Danny Riley, the great defensive specialist, helping in 4 big points for Mike Flanagan.
I think Danny Riley has been the best skater on the track for the T-Birds tonight. Ralphie, of course, has picked up the point, and Mike Flanagan was behind on that jam. He was beaten by Freddie Lucero, but Danny Riley slowed down the pack, let Mike catch up, and he picked up the point. T-Birds out in front, 96-85. T-Birds out in front by 11 as Darlene likes what she sees.
Cool. She's happy.
11 points, all right.
Look at her.
Let's go.
She's so happy. 11 points. She is going wild out there. She's ready for some jelly beans. Oh, me, oh, my.
We've had the matchups a couple of times, Dick, of Gonzalez, and Leroy has come out on top so far. Let's see what happens here.
Leroy Gonzalez way out in front, and behind him, young Adam Gonzalez, a veteran against a rookie. It happens so often. The young rookie thinks he can take care of the veteran. And the veteran 9 times out of 10 comes out on top. And the Whiz Kids, the Thunderbird Whiz Kids, once in a while can charge through that pack. And not this time, as Adam Gonzalez belted hard to the back of the pack for the big man, Ted Marf, has been everywhere here tonight. He takes care of Danny Riley, double block coming up by Ralphie Valadares and Fred Ventura. Nope, it's Riley in. He goes down. It was Flanagan and Valadares. In the meantime, look at this man shoot through. Leroy Gonzalez, the madman, picking up 5 big points for the Devils.
Dick, one day Adam Gonzalez will be a great skater in this league. but he is learning a lesson tonight. He has gone out against bad boy Leroy Gonzalez time after time and come out second best. As Nancy Graham talking strategy, she's been a good defensive skater for the T-Birds tonight. And Ted Maroff leading the way for the Devils, trying to get them back in the game. They only trail by 6 with 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining to go in this final period.
It looks like one thing for sure, the Thunderbirds are going to break that century mark before the Devils here. They're only 4 down. 96 to 90 is Crazy Bren out in front. Right side by side with Minnesota McNair. He goes down. Likewise, Skinny Minnie Miller and Paula Wilson went down. These two are cracking the whip now. Both of them go down. One to the railing and Ventura back up in a hurry. He's in front. Slows down a bit. He turns around. He wants to pop and take care of Sola McNair. 96 to 90 to score. 6:38 to go. Ventura wants to pick up points. He's got George Adams up in front. Leapfrogs over the top of the two. Crash into each other. Oh, me oh my. Unbelievable. These two are wild out there. And now it's Ted Maroff. He's the man of the hour. He's the man that sent him into the infield. And Brent Ventura wheeling the deal and picked up only a singleton. One singleton point, but they're up to 97.
Well, Dick, when you're in the lead, 1 point is fine. He also ran a minute off the clock. 97 T-Birds, 90 Devils. As Crazy Brent Ventura picks up a point and also wastes some time on the clock. And that's the idea when you're ahead. Use up the clock. And, of course, if you can get a point or two, fine. If not, use up that time. As you see Kelly O'Hara flying a little gorgeous to Lori Weichel over there.
Now you see the people here at Madison Square Garden yelling defense, defense. Occasionally here, the side, the left, the right, defense, defense. We're going to see if the Thunderbirds can keep them down to 90 points. This team will score, believe me, they are tough. Out in front, Freddie Lucero, 5:33 to go, 97 to 90 to score. The Thunderbirds having to apply defensive pressure. Likewise, the Devils having to apply defensive pressure. 5:22 to go. Still a 7-point lead, but Freddie Lucero picking up points for his team, the Devils now. Leroy Gonzalez just messing up Adam Gonzalez from the far side. Sitting on him, stomping on his head, elbowing him, kneeing him. Some kind of weirdo over there, but Flanagan just melts down Freddie Lucero. But 5 points, a grand slam picked up for the Devils. And the Devils immediately right back in the picture, Harry, 97 to 95 with 4:45 to go.
Nick, we've seen games with Adam Gonzalez scoring over 30 points in a game. Tonight, he just hasn't had it, let's face it.
4 minutes and 45 seconds to go, as we said. 97 to 95 to score. Not a heck of a lot of time remaining. Debbie held it down there trying to help Nancy Graham with her hair. In the meantime, the Thunderbirds out on the track, and they're trying to win a game. They want to win the game here. The heck with your hair right now. 97 to 95. Action on the track with Valadar, Flanagan, Gonzalez, Riley, and Big Chief John Parker. But the man of the hour out in front is Big Sola McNair. The colors are red, white, and black for the Detroit Devils. 4:18 to go. He picks up 1, possibly 2. No, he gets 1 point. Adam Gonzalez, where are they staying now? Yep, 1 point, and they're 97 to 96 to score. A 1-point lead for the Thunderbirds. 4 minutes to go.
Devils creeping up as Dolan McNair alertly called that jam off. I think the T-Birds were in better position from behind as that pack was forming. So McNair called up the jam smartly. Flanagan has the helmet for the T-Birds, Dick.
3:48 to go on the clock. Out in front, the leading jammer, Mike Flanagan. They should go around and try to pick up as many points as they can right now. The Thunderbirds, if they want to win this game in front of a big crowd here in New York, Madison Square Garden. 97 to 96 to score. Dick Holloway calling for you along with Harry Magidson. We're enjoying yourself. Hope you are. Been a good game. A white knuckler all the way. Only 1 point separates these two teams. After about 78 minutes of action so far, we still got a little time remaining. About 3:20 to go on the clock. And the Devils picking up points now. And the Thunderbirds yelling, defense, defense. You hear the crowd. Defense, defense. And Parker in the back of the track. He's trying to do it all. And John Parker, maybe, Harry, maybe just has been saving himself, conserving his energy as a big man. Needed in the crucial moment here as Flanagan with 3, 2, 1. Picking up points. Nope, only 1. He only got 1. I thought he got more out there, but he only picked up 1. 98 to 96 to score.
1 point for the T-Birds, and that's the type of job that the T-Birds need from John Parker. I've knocked him all night because he hasn't done the job that he did there. And maybe John Parker's just waiting, as Irvin Johnson says to the Lakers. Magic Johnson, he says it's winning time. And maybe that's the idea that Parker has. He is not in the best of shape, but he has saved himself for the critical part of the game. 2:30 inning left to go.
Well, you could say he's a bit overweight. That's putting it a little bit mildly out there. You know, Danny Riley just recently lost 120 pounds himself, and we got a game going on. 2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. Lucero up in front, behind him, Fred Ventura. Each of them trying to pick up punch. Lucero sneaks on through, calls off the jam, and the referees over here jumping around. In the meantime, the man picked up a point in there. They call off the jam, and Marop is wondering what's going on. He throws down the helmet, and they picked up 3 points. 3 points for the Devils. 3 points for the Devils, and just like that, 98 to 97. Oh, me, oh my, they pick up 3, 99 to 98.
Dick, you know what you did? You gave the T-Birds the Sports Illustrated kiss of death. The game's not over, but you said the T-Birds would be the first to the century mark. Excuse me, it's 99-99. I thought the Devils had another to the century mark. But we'll find out. There's only a minute and a half remaining in the game. Darlene Langlois imploring her teammates to go, go, go.
John Hall having a fit on that track. He is having a fit with the referee. He should not be up on the track. We got 1:19 remaining on the clock. It's tied up at 99 apiece. 1:15 remaining. John Hall is, believed, called official protest, but we got a game going on. 1:08 remaining. All things happening on the track. Morrow picked up by Big John, sets him down. Fred Ventura moving around that track. John Hall is fit to be tied. Now the referee says 1 point for the Thunderbirds. The Thunderbirds with a slim lead, less than a minute to go. 199 to score.
Dick, you were right. They were the first one to the century mark. 48 seconds left to go in this game. And John Parker, big John Parker, the chief, has come to life. He has done the job defensively here in this critical last period.
It's got to be defense. It's got to be defense. 35 seconds to go. 199 to score. Ralphie Valdez, if he can get rid of the jammer, then he can take care of this game. If George Adams sneaks on through, they're in trouble with Thunderbirds. 22 seconds to go. The man up in front is Riley. He has to stop George Adams. Defense has to rule supreme now. 18 seconds to go. Riley blocking out of George Adams. Ralphie trying to get through and get by Ted Morrow. 10 seconds to go. Both of them. Riley blocking on Georgie. Here comes Ralphie. Ralphie sneaks on through. He scores! He scores! And the Thunderbirds with 3 seconds remaining. Come on through. And Ralphie Valdez picks up 1 point. And the Thunderbirds win this game here at Holway. The defensive struggle by 2. 101 to 99. The Thunderbirds win this game here in the final seconds. 101 to 99, Harry.
The combo that's done it all night. Ralphie Valdez on offense. Danny Riley on defense. Setting up the T-Bird victory. 101-99. Win for the T-Birds here at New York Madison Square Garden. What a job. Danny Riley and Ralphie Valdez as they skate around this beautiful garden track. Our final score. T-Birds 101, Devils 99. We'll be right back with the wrap-up on Madison Square Garden Cablevision.
What's your favorite sports memory? Is it Reggie's 3 homers in Game 6? Or Michael's 6 3-pointers in Game 1? Or maybe it was the time you and your dad had the best seats in the house. We want to hear your favorite sports memory and maybe put it on the air. Classic Sports Network invites you to send us your favorite memory, whether it was a moment seen round the world or one that only you know about. Write it down on a postcard, mail it in, and if we tell your story, you get star billing and a Classic Sports logo t-shirt. Send your favorite memory to Favorite Sports Memories, Classic Sports Network, Murray Hill Station, P.O. Box 1830, New York, New York, 10156. Because if it meant something to you, it means something to us.
Hi, Bob Vila here to show you a unique new Craftsman tool no home should be without. Craftsman Handy Cut Utility Cutters, the one tool you can count on for all kinds of tough cutting jobs. Craftsman Handy Cut does the job of utility knives, carpet knives, shears, shop cutters, and more. Look how tough it is to make a good cut through this damaged garden hose with a utility knife. Craftsman Handy Cut gets it done in one clean cut. It's a terrific small branch and shrub pruner. Shears or shop cutters can't trim vinyl flooring as easily as the Craftsman Handy Cut. Use the Craftsman Handy Cut to cut nearly any common household material, including rope, plastic, leather, vinyl, and rubber. Call now, and you can order your Craftsman Handy Cut for only $19.99. And remember, when you buy from Sears, your satisfaction is guaranteed or your money back.
To order your Craftsman Handy Cut, get your Sears card or the credit card ready and call 1-800-203-9944. That's 1-800-203-9944. Call right now.
Hi there, everybody. I'm Mark Scott saying, welcome to Home Run Derby.
Play ball!
It's a home run or nothing here on Home Run Derby. If it's in the strike zone, you'd better swing at it.
Right!
In my day. Well, keep on swinging. That's the game. Fellas, today you're going for the big money. Holy Toledo! Man, he belted that ball. So long until tomorrow. Hank, you're making a career out of Home Run Derby.
Fire up!
Home Run Derby swings for the fences every Sunday on Classic Sports.
We just witnessed a very, very exciting game here. The Thunderbirds coming out on top 101-99. We're going to get a chance to see that final jam one more time. Harry, tell them about it.
Well, I'll tell you, Dick, the final jam really told a story of the entire game. Ralphie Valadares, offense. Danny Riley, defense. Ralphie had to score those points for the T-Birds to maintain their lead. And, of course, Riley was back on defense to prevent the Devils from taking the lead. And he did the job, and both of them did the job on both fronts. Result, T-Bird victory, 101-99.
And what kind of action we saw here tonight as we see the final jam. Ralphie raising up his arm, and Harry, skinny Minnie Gwen Miller. Wasn't she fabulous again?
She did another great job. She does it night after night, and I really credit John Hall the way he used her. Gwen was really not herself tonight. She was a little tired, so John kept her back to defend against the quickness of Paula Wilson and used her only on selected jams.
And how about Big Chief John Parker? We criticized him a bit throughout the game, but he came through in the clutch.
In the clutch, when it was time for the game to be won, John Parker did the job on defense, spelling Danny Riley as he had to do. Danny just had too much pressure on him tonight.
What kind of game? It was an exciting game. It was a white knuckler all the way. The Thunderbirds out in front, then the Devils out in front. It went back and forth, back and forth. And Vicky Steppe, Lori Weichel for the Devils. They were exceptional. Georgia Haas, she was really, really tough, a real taxmaster.
Well, they're a good team. They're the traditional rivals for the T-Birds, and they're next to the T-Birds, the top team in the league. There's no doubt about it.
I tell you, Harry, I'm really excited. I'm still up. The game's going to last with me for a while.
Well, it's another good one right here in Madison Square Garden, Dick, and T-Birds felt right at home here.
Oh, once again from Madison Square Garden, we had a great time. We hope to see you once again from Madison Square Garden for now. Bye-bye.